just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
So this time we have the Hot Wheels from the Short Wheels series. Welcome back, folks. It's your boy DCS on another video, and this time we have got a very special one. This time it's the Hot Wheels series, guys, and God knows for how long we have forgotten the Hot Wheels series because the market is not in India. Yes, the Hot Wheel market is gone from India, so it's a pretty rare find now, and I've been making Sunny toys for a really long time, so now I've got the Hot Wheels from Track Stars. Okay, no, not exactly from Track Star. This is got 178 out of 250 in HW race, and it's a pretty old version of the Hot Wheels because it did not have this kind of tone or color, but it's a pretty rare one, guys, because this is the Ford Shelby GR-1 concept car. Of course, you guys remember the Ford Shelby, right? Yeah, the GR-1 concept with that silver color paint. It really looked nice, and I got the Hot Wheels version of it. And this car is actually produced one in the world. Yeah, only one concept car is made, and Ford told that they'll get the production starting up, maybe, but I just wish they do. Anyways, guys, this is actually resembling the Shelby Daytona because of its fastback kind of body design. I actually like that. So before we get on to the specs and the unboxing part, I just want you guys to know that if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button immediately and also press the bell icon not to miss any of my unboxings of almost any brands of cars, guys. So yeah, check them out, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook because I'll be putting these cars images in more detail and a little bit of inspirational thoughts also, guys. So check them out, and now let's go for the unboxing and specs of this GR-1 concept car. Alright, guys, out of the box, the GR-1. Oh, I totally forgot this is not Sunny Toys anymore, it's Hot Wheels, so it's kind of small. Anyways, guys, looking at the front end, this is the front of the car. Yes, you have your Ford logo, which is pretty nice, I guess, but of course the paint of the car is good. Like, the black paint is actually nice, but again, when we come for the headlamps, it should have been done green, but white would have suited it much better. So you have this two-tone design, the white and gray, but the gray doesn't go along. You have green instead, which is kind of nice, I guess. And here are your wheels. Yeah, the regular Hot Wheels wheels for the GR-1 Hot Wheels. The paint job, like the decals on this car, is pretty scuffed up. Yeah, the packaging shouldn't have done that. Like, they should have made the car immovable, but again, it's Hot Wheels and a pretty old one at that, so can't argue. Here is the back of the car. It looks exactly same, and it's so damn nice, guys. Thank God they actually detailed it perfectly right here, but they haven't given the Ford logo. And the bottom of the car, you have the whole name and stuff. Yeah, the Ford Shelby GR-1 with the Hot Wheels and made in Malaysia and stuff. 2005 metal, which is nice. So that's pretty much the overall look. And I forgot about the interior. You have the white tone interior with green mix up at the bottom, which is nice again. So now let's go for its specs. Going for the specs of the GR-1 right here, the GR-1 concept. First, talking about the top speed. The top speed of this car is actually rated at 306 kilometers per hour, which is 190 miles per hour. Not tested again because it's of course a concept. So talking about the acceleration time, they say it's 3.9 seconds, which isn't so bad. So yeah, what engine does all of this performance come from, you ask? Well, let's talk about its engine now, guys. So the engine is a 6.4 liter all aluminum modular prototype V10, guys. Yes, it's a V10, not a V8. Yeah, like all the other Shelbys out there. It's actually a V10, but it's a prototype, a modular prototype. So yeah, it can be made again and again and again. And talking about the horsepower it makes, the horsepower is 605 horsepower, not bad, but a V10 should produce a little bit more. Anyways, talking about the transmission, you get only a 6-speed manual, and yeah, it's not like those paddle shifters automatic or something. It's only 6-speed manual, and that's the transmission. Going for the body style, This is, of course, you guys know, a two-door fastback, so it's really fast. Okay, that joke didn't go well. Anyways, this car is only a rear-wheel drive, so you can expect an all-wheel drive for this one. And that's it for the specs, guys. So now let's talk about its ratings. I've seen a lot of GR1s before, like before I got the Hot Wheels version, and it looked pretty damn nice with its awesome chromish paint job. But this one right here, now that I'm watching it in 360, the design is splendid and I actually love the color of this car. So yeah, I would like to give it an 8 out of 10 in ratings. Do comment your ratings down below. Even though it has paint scuffs, I give it an 8 out of 10. Let me know your thoughts on this car, guys, and I'll see you all next week. This is the end of the video. Bye bye. Stay tuned for more Hot Wheels content. DCS out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.